Hello there. Let's talk about how to create an account on Litefinance here in Ghana. First of all, there are three things you need to have before you can have an account with Litefinance, a verified account as such. So the first thing is a valid email address or a valid phone number. The second thing is a valid ID card. This ID card can be your Ghana card, your passport, or your driver's license. Okay, it's going to be served as your proof of identity. Okay, and then less than 3 months old bank statement or your TIN certificate. Okay, when you went in for your TIN numbers, you're being given a certificate. Okay, this certificate have your address on it, so we can use that particular one too. Okay, and as I said, your phone number or your email address, your ID card, and then your bank statement. One may ask, what is the bank statement and then the ID card used for? Your ID card is served as your proof of what? Identity, for us to know the individual that we are actually having business with, or the individuals that are using our platform. We need to get to know them, okay? Because any verified or any regulated forex broker needs those documents, all right? And then the bank statement is also going to be used as proof of what? Address, okay? For us to know where you live, where you stay, okay? So we do all these things so that we get to know our customer, and our customer also get to know us very well. All right, so let's head to the site. Since we have all these documents in place, let's head to the site and look at how the site looks like. All right, so that is how the Litefinance website looks like. Okay, so you have this beautiful interface. Litefinance have been in the forex industry for 17 years. For those who don't know, they've been in the industry for 17 years, all right? And they are also being regulated by the SISEC and also by Philippines regulatory body. And yeah, and we have a whole lot of regulators out there too that are also regulating the affairs of the company. So it's not just any company out there that can just be doing anything that they want. No, it's a regulated forex broker that have really high reputation. Okay, so now here, what we are going to do is let's head straight to how you can create an account. So over here, you can click on try for free or registration. Okay, any of them will take you to the account creation interface. So let's go to registration. Over here on registration, we have a new interface opened and then a pop-up of how we can also have an account being given over here. All right, so that is the interface where you're going to input your details in getting the account. All right, so here you input your email, okay, your email address, you input your email address, and then your password. Okay, so with the password, let me type in my password. All right, so I've typed in my password. I want my account to be in dollars. So Litefinance offers three different types of accounts. They have the dollar, the euro, and then the Ghana cedis. Okay, but I prefer my account to be in dollar, not cedis. That's just by the way. So we have different ways that one can also have access to the trading platform. Okay, you can use your Google account to create your account, or you can use your Facebook account to create your account. Okay, so once I've filled in all these details, I'll click on register. Over here, you can use either your email or your phone number, but I prefer using my email address. All right, so I'll click on register, and then my account have been created. Okay, now an email have been sent to my email address containing a confirmation number. So the confirmation number is the numbers that I'm typing on the screen right now. So I'll click on confirm, and then my email address have been confirmed. If you use your phone number, a confirmation message will be sent to your phone number, and then you input that one, and then your phone number would also be verified. Okay, so now let's head to how to edit details how to submit verification documents. You see the documents that we talked on earlier on. Yes, let's talk about how you can submit those docs. All right. So you click on your email over here, and then you go to profile. Okay, or you can also go to profile at this particular section also. Okay, so I click on profile, which will bring me to this beautiful interface. Now, I will talk about this interface later on, all right? But let me just brush us through. You see this ratios over here? It gives you your profitability ratio. So if at the end of the month you're being profitable, you're going to see it over here. If you're not being profitable, you're going to see it over here. Trust me, Litefinance have amazing tools that is going to guide you in becoming the better trader that you aim to be. Okay, so over here we head to verification, because that is what we are here to do, not any other thing else. Though later when we talk about all these things over here, but let's go to verification. Good. Now you could see that my email address has been verified because I use email to do my account creation, and then the code came in and I inputted the code, so it's verified. You verify your phone number by also inputting your phone number over here. When you click on continue, a verification code will be sent to your phone number, and then once you input the code, your phone number will also be verified. All right. Then you go to the identity verification. That is the area where you are to upload your Ghana card or your passport or your driver's license. Over here too, the information on your document that you are to upload is what is supposed to appear here. Okay, so the name have to match the name on the document. Date of birth have to match the date of birth on the document. Now, are you a politically exposed person? Let it be no. Okay, because the moment you select yes, you'll be asked to submit additional documents detailing the position you hold politically and stuff. So let it be no, and then you select your gender, whether you are male or female. All right. So let me just input a name over here. Okay, so if I input a name over here and I change this one to female, because I'm using a female email address to do this whole thing, and I click on continue. Oh, sorry, I forgot to input the date of birth. So, and I click on continue, I'll be asked to upload my ID. Okay, the ID of the name that I inputted earlier on. That is the ID you're supposed to upload. All right. Once you are done uploading, you then come to the address verification. Okay. On the address verification, the address on the document you are to upload is what you need to input over here. So you select your region as Ashanti region. So if it's Ashanti region, you select Ashanti region. Your city, you select Kumasi. Kumasi. So the region, Ashanti. Okay, then you select your street, the Bantama High Street. So the street area or the street that's street I've just inputted over here have to match the one on your document. Okay, don't just input any street at all. Okay, so if it's a house number that is on the document, just input your house number and all the relevant information over here. The postcode you can maintain the 0233, or you can just type 0233. Okay, and then click on continue. When I click on continue, I'll be asked to upload the document confirming that address that I inputted. Okay, so when I'm done, it will take maximum 2 working days, for your account to be verified, because they need to verify the document you submitted. All right. The Islamic account is specifically for Islam brothers or sisters. Okay, so that area, I won't even touch that particular area. So voila, that is how we create account on Litefinance and then submit our document for verification. Now, if you see over here, you can see that the name has changed. okay, to the name that I used. You see that I've changed? Yes. So that is how we create an account on Litefinance. Thank you all for your time. Enjoy your day.